has finally paid me. Like, this seems like a dream. Though, actually, as at the time filming this video, I haven't received my alert yet, that is to my bank account. But YouTube has finalized every single thing, and they even sent me this Google message. So basically what I'm going to be sharing with you guys right now is how much I'm expecting, and obviously once the money lands, which is tomorrow or tonight by the special grace of God, I'm going to be doing a video on that also, but that might be on my main channel. So if you're not following me on my main channel, do well to go ahead and follow me right now. And if you're coming here from my main channel, drop it in the comment section. You deserve a hug, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys how much YouTube has paid me, and this is my first ever YouTube paycheck. Like, you won't believe how much. So I'm going to be going straight in details to share with you every single thing. All right guys, I got monetized here December 15th. This is the notification and also the welcome to YouTube partner program, and as God may have it, that was December 15th. So I was able to do every single setting, and December 18th I already applied for my AdSense pin. Yes, because you all know that once you get monetized here on YouTube, you have to meet $10 threshold in order for YouTube to enable you to be able to request for AdSense pin. So just under 2 days I was able to hit that, and YouTube sent my AdSense pin on the 18th of December. Now here comes the whole drama and the whole problem. So this is an opportunity for you also. If you're watching this video, you have to really make sure you pay attention to every single thing that I'm going to be sharing, cause so that you won't make mistakes. So while filling my AdSense form, the postal office that I actually put initially had a little bit issue, but thank God, as God may have it, because I don't want this video to be too long. Everything came, but it came very late due to some silly mistake that I did, which is not going about to verify the postal office that I was going to be using for my YouTube AdSense pin. So if you're out there, make sure you verify the postal office before you include it in your YouTube AdSense form. All right guys, I think January 20 something the AdSense came. That's around January 28 or 25, the AdSense finally came, and YouTube had already told me that a payment is actually coming my way, but I couldn't do anything due to the late AdSense pin coming to me. So I was actually sad. I even came up here on my main channel and I did a video which I got a lot of encouragement from my subscribers, and I kept on pushing because I was thinking that I had actually lost the money, but YouTube told me, don't worry girl, your money is piling up. So I know you might be wondering, why is this girl so happy? I'm so happy because just 5 months ago I was watching a YouTuber here. I don't know if you guys know her, Nunu. Like, Nunu was sharing her first YouTube paycheck, and I also watched another lady in the vlog niche, and I was like, God, when will this happen? When will I ever sit down to actually hold dollar? Funny enough, this is my first time ever holding dollar. Yeah, this is $1. I actually bought it when I wanted to go and fill my that is when I wanted to go and create my dollar account. So I bought $101. Yeah, so I actually kept this one so that I can be able to be touching it and say, yeah, YouTube is worth it. Yes, that's why that is why I'm holding this one. But the main $100, I've used it to open my domiciliary account. If you're new to my page, maybe all this whole thing is sounding like new. Don't worry, visit my main channel and you'll be able to understand all these procedures. Yes, so guys, finally, let me now take you guys to how much YouTube actually paid me. So guys, I was able to finally open the dollar account, and 3 days ago I went ahead to fill the form. Yes, the AdSense form. So after filling it, I got a message on my email that it has been created successfully. So as soon as I was done with that, the next thing that I was requested to do is tax. So please, if you're monetized, before you start earning, make sure you fill your tax information. And a lot of false information has been going here on YouTube that you need to go to FRS office. I didn't go anywhere. I just watched a tutorial on YouTube which actually guide me, and I feel that though the process is actually long, but Trust me when I say you can actually do it. Okay, so I was able to fill the tax. So after filling the tax, this was the message I got. Lo and behold, that same day, in just 1 hour later, I got a message. I got this particular message here on the screen that my payment has been finalized and is coming on my way. So that was just it, and it was still all looking like a dream. Then I finally went to my YouTube studio and I realized that YouTube has actually finalized everything in my YouTube studio, and this is how much I'm gonna be expecting. So I'm going to be taking you guys through right now with a screen record, which I'm going to be dropping on the screen to show you guys how much I'm going to be receiving. Don't play. So guys, as you all can see, my payment arrived February 18, 2025. Relax, as of when filming this video, the money is not yet in my account here. So earnings period are December 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2024. Now let me correct something. This payment is actually for the month of December. Yes, because I got monetized here December 15th, and as of 18th I started earning already. So this paycheck is between December 18th to December 31st. That is almost like maybe 2 weeks plus. Yeah, so this paycheck is for 2 weeks plus. And if you check here, the earning is 560.41 dollars. That was how much I made in December, just 2 weeks plus. Like, is this real? Go down to the comment section and tell me if it's actually worth it or not. Yeah, so now another thing is that YouTube is going to be deducting their taxes, and if you check from the screen here, the taxes deducted is $98. So do the calculation yourself. $560 minus $98, and this is how much I finally made after the whole cut and the rest of them. $462.38. Okay. Oh my god, like okay, I'm still believing that maybe it's still not real till I get the credit alert on my phone, and as soon as I get it, I will still come up here to tell you guys, because I've never actually believed that YouTube Pay. I used to hear it, but I've not really come to this conclusion that it's actually real. But I believe once the alert come on my phone, I will finally believe. So now let's do the rough estimate. Let's calculate the money, because you all know I'm in Nigeria, and in Nigeria, so definitely I earn in Naira. So this is how much it is in Naira. Now let's go ahead to my calculator here, and as of when filming this particular video, dollar is 1,560 Naira. So I don't know if it has increased as of when you find this video, or if it has decreased, but it's 1,560 Naira. So 1,560, which is dollar rate in Nigeria, multiplied by the dollar itself, multiplied by $462. And this is what I have. Like, this is what I have. Oh my god. Honestly, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say, but let me just chill till this money comes to my account before I'll know how real it is. Like, guys, is YouTube not worth it? Imagine sitting down talking on the screen and you're earning 720,000. Ha, god, I'm still in shock. Like, I'm still in disbelief. So if you're out there and you're still thinking of should I do YouTube or not, I believe this video should be a yes answer for you. Okay guys, let us even calculate my main earning. My main earning was $560. Now let's check how much it is. $560 multiplied by the current dollar rate in Nigeria as of when filming this video, 1,560. That is 873,600. So if not for the taxes, because of we are non-US citizens, so we have to definitely pay tax. That is the way YouTube operates. If not for the taxes, like, this was actually what I'm supposed to see. But all the same, to God be the glory. Imagine doing nothing, because I see it as, honestly speaking, initially, in fact, not even initially, I never knew YouTube actually paid this much. I was actually here just for the fun, because I've always loved to be on camera ever since I was small. Like, I literally started operating on Facebook even before I was 16, and I was way more famous then on Facebook before my account got hacked. So I have always been this, I want to be on the screen. Like, this is a dream come true. And aside that, I am able to make this amount of money right now. I feel so emotional. Like, my joy cannot be contained. Like, thank you. First of all, I'll have to thank Almighty God for making this to be real. And secondly, I have to thank YouTube itself. Like, YouTube, you're amazing. And I must say a very big thank you to my subscribers from my main channel and the new ones who are going to subscribe after watching this video. Thank you so much. And if you're out there, you're thinking of giving up, please do not give up, because if you want to know much more about my story, then you have to follow me on my main channel of when I almost gave up on YouTube because of the low views and the rest of them. I know much more are coming, but all the same, glory be to God Almighty. My joy cannot be contained. So just type congratulations on the comment section. So guys, this cannot be complete without me saying it all boils down to consistency. Like, my consistency on YouTube here actually paid off. And if you want to understand or know what is this lady talking about, go ahead to my main channel and see the consistency there. This video is already getting too long than I had expected it to be. I have to end it here. I have a lot to say, but I just have to shut up and end it here. So if you've watched to this extent, you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like this particular video, comment and share, so that other people can get this beautiful good news. And see you when next I see you. Do not forget to ask me how the alert come, because I can't wait. I honestly can't wait for the alert to come up to this my phone, and I can finally see it and breathe that, yeah, it's actually real. But with this email, I am convinced. But you know, we Africans, we are human beings. We need, you understand what I'm saying? If you do, drop in the comment section. So bye guys now, and see you all in my next video. Kiss, 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 kiss.